Hello dear students. Today in this video we will discuss another very important topic from our grammar, that is conjunction. We will discuss what are conjunctions and how many kinds of conjunctions are there. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word used to join words, groups of words or sentences. It is also known as connector, connecting words or sentences. For example, she helped him because he was needy. Raj is studying, but his sister is playing. Ritin and Mahendra are good friends. Do you know that she is a woman of knowledge? All the words in red are conjunctions. Conjunctions or connectors merely join. They do no other work. This helps us distinguish the conjunctions when the same word may be used as a preposition or a relative pronoun. For example, this is the house that Sobit built. Here, that is acting as a relative pronoun, showing its relationship with the noun, which is the house. Tell them that I cannot come. Here, that is acting as a conjunction. I bought this pen for you. For is acting as a preposition showing the relationship between the words pen and you. I could not come to school for I was ill. Here, for is acting as a conjunction connecting two sentences. Classes of conjunctions. Based on their function, conjunctions are grouped under two classes. First, coordinating conjunctions. Second, subordinating conjunctions. Let us now discuss about them one by one. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are the conjunctions of words which join two words or sentences of equal rank or order together. For example, Geeta loves noodle, her sister loves chocolate. Both are two independent sentences, each able to stand alone. They are of equal rank or order. None of the part depends on the other for its complete meaning. If we join these two independent sentences by the word but, we make one sentence. Here, the joining word but is a coordinating conjunction. Similarly, in the other pair of sentences, and or join together the sentences of equal rank or order. Therefore, they are all coordinating conjunctions. We also call a conjunction coordinating conjunction when it joins single words together because single words are of the same rank or order. For example, two and two make four. Time and tide wait for none. Here, and is a coordinating conjunction. Kinds of coordinating conjunctions. There are four kinds of coordinating conjunctions. First, cumulative coordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions merely add one statement to another. Some cumulative conjunctions are and, also, to, no less than, as well as, both, and, not only but also. For example, he both sings and dances very well. It was very expensive to travel on Friday, so I leave on Thursday. Second is adversative coordinating conjunctions. They express opposition or contrast between two statements. Some adversative conjunctions are but, still, yet, only, nevertheless, while, whereas. For example, he was angry, but he kept quiet. I was right, still, nobody listened to me. Third is alternative coordinating conjunctions. They express a choice between two alternatives. Some alternative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, or else. For example, she must work hard or she may fail. You have neither a pencil nor a pen. Fourth is elative coordinating conjunctions. These show that one statement or fact is inferred from another. Some elative conjunctions are for, therefore, so. For example, something has happened, for I can feel abnormal silence here. She is honest, so she is respected by all. What are subordinating conjunctions? Subordinating conjunctions are the conjunctions or the words which join two sentences of unequal rank or order. One of the two is dependent upon or subordinate to the other. For example, I could not go to school because I was ill. My grandfather is very active, though he is very old. Things have changed since I last met you. All the words in red are subordinating conjunctions. If we take the first sentence, it contains two statements. I could not go to school because I was ill. These two sentences or statements are not independent. They cannot stand alone. The sentence because I was ill is dependent upon the sentence I could not go to school for its complete meaning. We can also say that two sentences are not of equal rank or order. Hence, the word because is subordinating conjunction. In the other sentences, though, since join two sentences of unequal rank or order. Therefore, they are also subordinating conjunctions. The subordinating conjunction is always the first word in the dependent sentence. Kinds of subordinating conjunctions. There are 9 kinds of subordinating conjunctions. First, time. Some subordinating conjunctions of time are when, as soon as, before, until, while, after, as, still, since. For example, grandmother will have a bath after she comes back from the market. Geeta has been happy since she came here. Second, place. Some subordinating conjunctions of place are where, whence, wherever. For example, I have put the heater in a place where it is out of reach for the children. The lamp followed Mary wherever she went. Third, purpose. Some subordinating conjunctions of purpose are in order that, so that, lest. For example, speak carefully lest you should hurt anybody. He is practicing hard so that he may get selected in the school hockey team. Fourth, condition. Some subordinating conjunctions of condition are unless, if, provided. For example, unless I study hard, I will not do well. If you don't work hard, you will fail. Fifth, cause. Some subordinating conjunctions of cause are as, since, and because. For example, we all decided to have lunch as we were hungry. Everybody likes her because she is modest. Sixth, effect. Some subordinating conjunctions of effect are so that, such that. For example, his behavior was such that everyone disliked him. It rained so heavily that crops were ruined. Seventh, manner. Some subordinating conjunctions of manner are as if, as though. For example, Anju looks as if she is having a good time. It looks as though it is going to snow. Eighth, comparison. Some subordinating conjunctions of comparison are as much as, than, no less than. Aparna likes ice cream as much as she likes cakes. He is clever than his brother. Concession. Some subordinating conjunctions of concession are although, though, even if, however. For example, they enjoyed reading the book although it was very lengthy. I will do the work even if I get late.